Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have some good news. I'm a new Lollipopbox Club design team member, which is so exciting. I am so thrilled that Lisa has considered me. And this is my design team member, for my first ever design team member box. I have subscribed to Lollipopbox Club for, oh god, many years now, probably about 3 years, maybe more. And I've always enjoyed it, but yeah, and though I haven't really shared much of my creations using the Lollipop Box Club kit, but I have used them in my journaling. I have used them in my creative projects, and I really love them. And Lisa puts the good the box together, and they're really awesome. There are only two things I subscribe to, which is the Lollipop Box Club and you know the other one. I've been posting it on a regular basis. Anyway, without further ado, let's check out this month's box. Okay, so this month's kit is called Love Letters. There you go. Lisa designs all of that. That's the information about where Lollipop Box Club. This is where you can order these boxes from. You can also do like a subscription, and yeah, you get it month per month through your letterbox. And she makes amazing things, really. This is the postcard. Oh, look. Thank you, Lisa. Love it. This will be in my journal. I'm sure this is one of her designs, and I love it. Love it. And then in the kit, you get a zine as well. So she usually puts a recipe, and I've got a project from the recipes I've collected over the years from my subscription boxes that I'll share with you at some point. I started prepping it, so I'll probably do a video and kind of like, let's do things together. I wanna preserve those recipes that she shares on her zine, because I've tried it. Yeah, they're tried and tested. She makes them, and I've tried them, and they're awesome. But anyway, that's another project. So there's she's also got a Patreon. That's the information if you want to join. There's different tiers as per usual, and the lowest tier will, you know, even if you're in the lowest tier, you still get lots of things. So there's like loads of tutorials, DIYs, inspiration. We do a crafty chat twice a month, and it's just awesome catching up with like-minded people. She's a community that is built like really nice. Yeah, it's really nice to have that to be in that community. So again, those are the information if you want to know more. She's also live with Lisa, and It's Only Paper here on YouTube. On the other side, yeah, kit journal tips. She does in the zine. You can have like tips for journaling. What you call this, sketch. She shares sketch. You can do it, you know, you can base your little journal layouts on the sketch that she shares. I also save up some of these from her old zine, because that could be a nice kind of like either a journal page decoration, or just a part of the journaling that you're doing for a particular thing, or yeah, like an ephemera. And then she also has journal prompts. I have saved up the journal prompts, and I'll do something about them, do something with them again, just to kind of like keep forever maybe forever, as long as I can, so that I've got like little prompts to get to to guide me if I'm like having a little journaling slump and I don't know what to write, or I just want to do something really nice. Yeah, so that is it. We do lots of Happy Meal swaps as well. So yeah, love that. So let's see what my first kit has. Oh, this is so pretty. So as you can see in here, well, going back to the zine again, there's this little word of the year project, and in your kit you get this little journal here that you can use. Oh wow, that's really cool. Love it. And then you get a little treat box, and you get that oh, this is so cute. I've got loads of Lollipopbox Club paper clips. They're really cute. Yeah. Oh, that is brilliant. That is brilliant. You get a little treat bag. This is what she calls treat bag. It's always a surprise. She doesn't share. She does an unboxing of her box at some point, but she doesn't share everything because you have to have an element of surprise. So if you're a kit subscriber and you haven't received your box, cover your eyes, cover your ears. So in the treat box, oh, what's that? Oh, how cute. There's some beads, like heart beads. Oh my days. And you get a pink twine, get heart-shaped stickers. You get a code to be able to download stuff if you're a subscriber from the website. You get a little paper, and you get a little cutaway sheet. Oh my god, buzzing. I want to do something really nice. Oh, mustn't lose the beads. Right, let's pop that in the box before it gets lost. Those beads are precious. You also get a sticker, like a word sticker, that you can use in your journaling. This is created exclusively for the Lollipopbox Club kit. You can't find this anywhere unless you are buying it from the Lollipopbox Club, really. So it is, yeah, there's that one, which is great. And then you get a little bit of fabric. So you can do a lot of things with this. As you can see, she has used it to, I think, wrap around her wrap around the journal. Yeah. Oh, that is cool. That goes together, don't you think? Like that. Pretty. Get a blank postcard this time, so you can practically, oh my god, right, you can do your own kind of like postcard. So oh, that's great. I've got some idea now. Lovely. Get little tiny envelopes. Oh, these are cute. Cutie cute. Wow. And then you get some, I think these are die cuts. Oops. Yes. Oh, how cute. Hang on a minute. Right. So you get these little cute die cuts. I love this typewriter die cut. Little airmail thing. Oh, wow. Okay. There's some little flowers here too. Oh, hang on a minute. Doing this one-handed. Get that kind of like post stamp. It says letter there. More flowers. Little postcard die cut. Oh my goodness, they're cute. This little heart stamp, little envelope, and a little envelope. That is so cute. So let's put them back here before they get lost. And then you get a sticker sheet that's almost similar to the die cuts, and this is exclusively created for the Lollipopbox Club by Mrs. Primrose. And she's been creating the sticker sheets and the die cuts for the box. So cute. Oh no, nearly missed that. Oh, let's put that there. I don't want to lose that. And last but not the least is a pack of papers, again exclusively from the Lollipopbox Club. Oh, you won't be able to get this anywhere else apart from Lisa's shop. Oh god, I just let's see. Here we go. Oh my goodness, how cute are these? So this one, you get 2 of each kind, I believe. Let me just double check. Yes, you do. So you do get 2 of each. And this particular sheet, you can cut apart. You can use it as like a border. Like they're like little washi tape type things, or like journal borders. And then you can cut that and you can journal in here. Oh, these are cute. Then you got this like blank page. Obviously you've got this is lovely. Just trying to look at what I can create with them now. And some grid paper. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Well, I'm buzzing. I'm gonna go away and think of a lovely project for us to do. That's it, guys. This is my first ever Lollipopbox Club design team member box. As I said, I've been a subscriber, but being a design team now, part of the design team, it's much more exciting. And I'll leave all the links in the description box below if you have missed it from the zine. Do check, subscribe if you want to with the box. They're really awesome. They're always jam-packed, and yeah, in the group there's a lot of sharing of projects and stuff. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for sharing this moment with me. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.